Yes, children, yesterday we are discussing different application sums based on different properties. Today we'll go with some more properties. The Yesterday we are commutative property as well as associative property regarding based on that property we did a few sums. The leftover property is distributive property. So in exercise 2.1, you see the third bit, exercise 2.2, see the third bit. You mentioned the property name also, children. Fine. Find the value of the following. Find the value of the, yes, value of the following. Just a minute, children. I can see your chart so that I understood some student is giving answer also. Yeah, ma'am, can you send yesterday? Yeah, already sent, Lohini. Already sent to our YouTube channel. Please see once yesterday product also you can see from there.
Okay, ma'am.
Right. In that first bit is given like that 297 multiplied with 17 plus 297 multiplied with 13. Now my question to Yadad,
Yes, ma'am.
in this question where mother is distributed somewhere, can you identify mother?
Ma'am, 297 is mother
Okay,
and 17 and 13 are children.
okay. Shall I take mother outside from the bracket? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Since from what is the property name, can you mention that name of the property and
Ma'am,
what
distributive property.
distributive property? What complete distributive property? Jaydeep, can you complete that
Yes, ma'am.
distributive
This
property?
is the distributive property over multiplication over addition.
Very good. Multiplication over addition. Yeah, here 297, you see in the above statement, whatever the expression, 297 commonly distributed for both. That means you can obviously recognize here 297 is mother. You just use bracket because mother is
Ma'am,
common
17
for,
plus 13.
yeah, mother is common for both. So 17 plus 13 are children. You can combine them because since it is positive in the middle, you can combine those. We will get it's 30. Yes, yes or no, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Please multiply 297 with 3 so that you can add 0 to that the product. You will get 297 multiplied with 30. Yes. I can see some student is posting answer. Very good. Very good, Jaydeep. It's 8910. See, children, no need to do normal multiplication also. You just horizontal multiplication also you can do. 3 sevens are how much, children? 3 sevens are 21. 21 you have to write here. 2 is carry over. 9 threes are 27. 27 plus 2 is 20 and 9. So 2 is carry over. Again 3 twos are 6. 6 plus 2 is 6 plus 2 is 8. So you
8,
can
ma'am.
add 0 here. So this is
8910.
nothing but 8910. Very good. Like that, once we are doing sums means you can start once you understand the concept. Now let me give one more question for the student so that my students are now identify mother is distributed here also, children. Please see here 54279 279 multiplied with 92 plus 8 multiplied with 54279. 54279. Yeah. Now my question to Harsha. Are you there in the classroom, Harsha? Drona, please. Drona.
Ma'am? Yes, ma'am.
1 minute. 1 minute, Harsha. Drona. Please,
Yes, ma'am.
Drona, can you identify here, mother?
Ma'am, the mother is uh, 5,400. Sorry, ma'am. 54,279.
Very good. Mother is commonly distributed. Who are children over here?
Ma'am,
92 and 8, ma'am.
Yeah. Shall I use bracket here? For
yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
100, ma'am. 92 plus 8 is
very
100.
good. Very good. Very good, Harsha.
Ma'am, the answer is
Ma'am, the answer is
54900.
54,200 and ma'am, sorry, ma'am, 5,42,000. Sorry.
Yes, come on. First, see
Ma'am,
the
54 lakhs
Ma'am,
Ma'am, it's
54 lakhs,
270.
ma'am, it's 54 lakhs
27,900.
27,900, ma'am.
very good. So that we can read our large numbers to correctly, children. This is a very important thing. Very good. Since from which property, if you know the property name also, you should mention, children. Since from,
Ma'am, this is distributive in multiplication over addition.
yes, complete distributive property, multiplication over addition, you're supposed to write, and you can write it as what formula, A multiplied with B and A multiplied with C can be written as A bracket B plus C. You can write general formula also, children. General formula, if you know, you can write. If you don't know, you're supposed to no need of write. You just mention the property name. This is distributive property. Next question. I want from girl students. Lohini, now you understand what is happening here. Please respond. 81,265 multiplied with 169 minus 81,265 multiplied with 69. You see, children, here Lohini, please respond, Lohini. Yeah.
Ma'am, here the mother is
Yes, come on.
81,265.
Very good. So that because mother is common for both the children, she is sharing for both the children. So you can take outside mother and use the bracket. Oh, who are children here? Lohini.
Yes, ma'am.
Who are children here?
169
Yes.
and 69.
What
Is
sign I supposed to keep here?
Minus.
Very good. Minus. Which property it is? Can you please? Which property it is?
Distributive property.
Complete distributive property. Multiplication over subtraction.
Multiplication.
Yes. Distributive property. Multiplication over subtraction. Multiplication over subtraction. Since from that property, we just use general formula also you're supposed to write. A bracket B minus C can be written as A multiplied with B minus A multiplied with C. If they are giving this part, we are writing like that. If this part they are giving, you are going to vice versa, you are writing. So that here very clear, it's
Ma'am, can I
8,000.
tell the answer?
Yes, it becomes 100.
Ma'am, 8126,500.
Very good, Jaydeep. 812650. Can you read this number?
Ma'am, 81,26,500.
Now, Ashwath, are you there in the classroom, Ashwath?
Yes, ma'am.
Ashwath,
Yes, ma'am.
yes,
Ma'am.
Ashwath, this is for you. 3845 multiplied with 5, we multiplied with 782, yes, 769 multiplied with 25 multiplied with 218. Is there anywhere mother is common here by seeing it since? Can you recognize where is mother?
Ma'am, I can't see any mother, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Mother is playing hide and seek. Mother is playing hide and seek with the children. So you can recognize where is mother now. Yes, yes,
Ma'am, I think so. Ma'am, I think so.
yes, yes, come on.
Ma'am, I think so. The answer is 3,845 into 5 into 782 is one group plus 769 into 25 into 218 is one group, ma'am.
No, Ashwath, really so sorry. Can anyone from the class, mother is playing?
Ma'am, can I one time try?
Yes, Ashwath, you're supposed to think. I will come back to you. And Jaydeep,
Yes, ma'am.
please respond, Jaydeep.
Ma'am.
Here,
Yes, ma'am.
mother is not there. Directly, we are unable to find the mother here. The mother is
Yes.
playing with the children. She is somewhere hiding. Can you recognize who is mother? Where is she?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, first we can divide 3,845 by 5.
Hmm.
So that is equals to 769. So we can write it as 769 into 5.
Is it you can do only division for that part? Is it true? If you do like that, is it suppose balancing means if you put one side of the balance only some weight means is it same? It is balanced? No, it won't balance, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, please think. Yes, 1 point you are catching anyway. Appreciable thing. Next, I'm coming to.
Ma'am, when we do this division, we can easily find the mother, ma'am.
Okay. If you do division, easily you can find the mother.
Yes, ma'am.
That is your okay. Very good, Nana. You just think about it. I will come back with your some more points. And I want Harsha. Please respond, Harsha. Harsha.
Ma'am,
Yeah. Who is mother here?
ma'am, here 3,845, ma'am.
Okay, but I didn't find other number 3,845 other place. There are mother.
No, sir.
Mother should be
Ma'am,
same. Mother should be same for here over here. That just let me underline so that you can. Yeah, mother should be common for both. But here 3, but there is no 385. You see in this is one part. This is another part.
Ma'am, can I explain now?
Who is this?
Ma'am, Ashwath.
Just a minute, Ashwath. I'll come to you only. Let them think for the students. Drona.
Yes, ma'am.
Who is mother here?
Ma'am, the number is 3,845 is not repeated, ma'am. So,
ma'am, can I tell?
Wait. So that wait. No, listen from Drona what he's saying. So
Ma'am,
we will. Yeah.
I was not able to find, but I have observed that every digit every digit's main number has came twice, ma'am. Like 782 and 769, ma'am.
It's sorry for you. Your observation is wrong, my dear. Lohini, what, just a minute.
Ma'am, can I tell I'm Harsha the answer?
Just a minute. I'll come back with you. Lohini, don't reveal your answers. We with you answer. Lohini,
Yes, ma'am.
who is mother here? Definitely competitive examination you will get like that of same. They won't give direct bits for you. You're supposed to think. You're supposed to think and do that. Such a bits only you will get. Yes, come on. Quick. No idea.
Ma'am, can I send my process in the chat box, ma'am?
Yes, you can send your ideas. Please send in the chat box so that I can see and appreciate you. And I want Sudeshi. Well, students, please respond quickly, children.
Ma'am, Sudisha.
Ah, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Please, Nana, please, Sudisha, please, who is mother here?
Ma'am, here.
Okay, meanwhile, I'll go back to the chat box and Sri Harsha, you're suppose Sri
Ma'am,
Harsha.
can I?
Ma'am,
Wait, Harsha, what's your observation? By keen
ma'am,
observation,
769, ma'am.
769 is mother, yeah, according to you. Okay. And I want Ashwath Reddy, please.
Yes, ma'am. Should I explain, ma'am?
Yes,
The mother is 3,845.
okay, that's your observation. I want
Ma'am,
Yadard.
ma'am, can I explain?
Yadard, respond Yadard.
Yes, ma'am.
Yadard, who is mother here, Yadard?
Ma'am, 782.
No, no, no.
Ma'am, is it 5?
Is it?
Is it 5?
Okay. Not only 5, some other part also there, but
Ma'am,
yes.
25. Ma'am, 5 and 25.
Ma'am, can I?
Jaydeep.
Yes,
Last
ma'am.
for Jaydeep. I will listen. So Jaydeep answer we will see. Then we will go with answer. Okay, I will explain
Yes,
to you. Hmm.
ma'am, can I once
Yes,
done?
Jaydeep, come on.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, when we divide 3,845, we'll get 769 into
Okay.
5
Okay.
into 5 into 782 plus 769 into
Okay.
25 into 218.
Yeah.
So, when we multiply
Ma'am,
7
that's why I
Yeah,
told
yeah.
ma'am
Can I
769.
divide here with 5?
Ma'am, that's why I
Ma'am,
told
can I
with
tell the answer, ma'am?
769, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am, I wanted to.
okay.
Ma'am, can I tell the answer to this, ma'am? Like the process.
Who is this? Okay.
Ma'am, can
Ma'am,
I tell the
Ashwath.
answer to this sum?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, I want.
Not
Ma'am, the
if you
answer
do
is.
normal multiplication, it won't acceptable, children.
Ma'am, can I tell the
Ma'am,
answer?
Yes, Sri Harsha.
Ma'am, it's 1,90,000. Ma'am, 1,92,25,000, ma'am.
Answer is okay. Answer, I don't want answer.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can I tell the explanation, ma'am? I
ma'am,
can
can you
tell.
continue, ma'am?
I can explain. Ma'am.
Ashwath, please.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 3,845 into 5 into 782 into 769 into 25 into 218 we equal to 3,845 into 5 into 782 plus 769 into 5 into 5 into 218 equal to 3,845 into 5 into 782 plus 769 into 5 into 5 no brackets 769 into 5 into bracket close into 5 into 218 3,845 into 5 into 782 plus 3,845 into 5 into 218 3,845 into 5 into brackets 782 plus 218 equal to 19,225 into 1,000 equal to the answer is 1,92,25,000, ma'am.
Yeah, that's okay. That's fine. I want a very.
Ma'am, I sent to my answer, ma'am, in the chat box.
Wonderful. You are really good student here. According to you, what you said, you can divide the complete one with 5 so that you will recognize mother. Or else, I just marked some points. You just see 3845. 3845 you're supposed to multiply with 5 5s are 25, 4 5s are 20 plus 22, 8 5s are 40 plus 42, 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 4 is 19. 15 plus 4 is 19. It's the same way I should multiply 769 with 25. You see 25 nines are 225. So 225 6 are, just a minute Nana. 25 6 are 1 125 fours are 100 150. 150 plus 22 means 150 plus 22 means
Ma'am, 172.
172. So 2 I'm writing, 17 is carry over here. 25 sevens are 25 6 are 150 175. 175 plus 17. 175 plus 17 it becomes a 2. Here carry over 9192. So this can be written as 192. Now you check these two numbers, both are same or not. Can you identify mother now? Instead of
Ma'am,
3845,
ma'am, can I tell the mother?
instead of 28, yeah, instead of
Ma'am,
285,
ma'am, 3,845 divided by 5, ma'am.
19,225 into 281, 280. Now you see
Yes.
children, can you recognize mother? Who is mother now?
Ma'am, 19,225.
Yeah, yeah, 19,225. You can use bracket. Who are children?
Ma'am, 782 and 218.
218. If you combine both, what you will get?
1,000.
Exactly, exactly. So this is nothing but
Ma'am,
19225 multiplied with 1000. The same number followed with,
which is 19225,000.
yeah. So
Ma'am, 1 crore 92 lakhs 25,000.
yes, exactly. 1 crore 92 lakhs 25,000. This is the way we can identify the. Sometimes they won't give direct calculation, children. You can apply your, because you are too small. When you practice, you will definitely get such a thinking capabilities on you also. But some such cases, mother is hiding and playing with the children, so that you can wisely catch mother. If you are searching, you are unable to find, means you will feel tired, you won't, you are getting bored. So you, what you supposed to, wisely you have to think. Any clue you have, you see. Any clues you have, see. 5 and 25 are there, 769 is there. If you supposed to multiply these two numbers, whether mother is, you are able to find or not, like that, you apply your thinking capabilities here, so that you can identify mother easily. This is the way we can solve this bit. That's all, children.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, but in this thing, mother 769 because 3,845 divided by 5, ma'am.
If you divide there, here also you're supposed to divide, my dear. It should be common. Of course, both should be divided. 769, if you divide, means you're supposed to think. You should not change. You should not make any changes with the question. We supposed to this, in whatever the given portion, you're supposed to identify the mother. You're supposed to not reduce that part. If you reduce, you will not get the correct answer. You see. Yes, Jaydeep, you understand why I did not reduce your?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. It's not an equation, it's an expression. If it is an equation, we can balance both the sides by dividing a left hand side with 5 and right hand side with 5. But there is no, it's only arithmetic expression is given here. It's not an equation. Yes. This is the way we can find somewhere mother also, unknown mother, somewhere hiding, means we can catch her, and we can see, and we can apply the whole numbers distributive property. Any doubt here, children?
No, ma'am.
Right. Next question. Shall I clear the screen, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Girl students, Lohini and Sudesha. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Sudesha,
Yes.
any doubt here?
No, ma'am.
Lohini?
No, ma'am.
Right. You just, there is some questions like that. They will give directly means you can do directly. If they won't give directly mother means you can identify where is mother is hiding. And this is one type of questions. And
Ma'am,
yes,
ma'am,
Ash-
Bharati ma'am,
Ashwath,
ma'am, can you give more examples like this, ma'am?
definitely.
Again, it will be
Definitely,
easy.
definitely. In the practice bits, I will give for you. I posted your question bank also. You see many questions you have there to practice. Did you check? Anyone checked the question bank, children?
Ma'am, I checked, ma'am.
It,
The question bank.
yeah, you got the question bank.
Ma'am, what
Yes,
is
ma'am.
the question bank, ma'am?
Every chapter, once we are teaching here distributive property means you go to your question bank, second chapter, whole numbers, wherever the similar sums are there, you're supposed to practice. You can many sums to practice there. N number of questions to practice. So you can practice children, please. That's why I posted complete the question bank to you, so that once
Ma'am,
the topic is over, you can don't wait for me, children. You can start working on the question bank also.
ma'am, what is it? What is that question bank in the Google Classroom, ma'am?
Yes, Nana. Yes, Ashwath. It's in question bank. It is in your Google Classroom. You supposed to not wait for me, ma'am. Where is the homework? You can once our complete the concept in the classroom. You can start working and practice on your sums in the question bank.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, actually, I'm unable to join the classroom because it says only 5 to 7 numbers it needs, and there are 8, ma'am. So, can you please send the link of your classroom?
Sure, Sudisha, that should be find out from Rahul. Technical person sir is there. Our technical sir is there. You just ask him to send a link for Google Classroom so that he will invite you in the Google Classroom. You can join there.
Okay, ma'am.
Right. Even I will put forward the message, whatever the message you gave. I will forward to our team so that they will support you. And next, in the find the product using suitable properties. Find the product. Find the product using suitable property. Suitable property. You see, children, in this the question is given like that. You can use the property 738 and 103. 103. You see, children, if any case, if you find like that, you're instead of 103, you can write it as instead of 103, you can write it as 100 plus 3. Is why we are writing 100 plus 3, to make our calculations more simple, and we can use our distributive property also. Yes, so shall I write 100 plus 3? 103. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So 738. So instead of 103, I'm using bracket plus 100 plus 3 I'm writing. Now who is mother and who are children?
Ma'am, our mother is 738
Children are?
and the children are 103.
Shall I distribute over them?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes. So can you please, Jaideep, can you please, first child is 100. So mother is
Yes.
distributed to first child. The same way you have to take mother. Mother is distributed to child. Second child is 3. So like that you can expand. Now any number multiplied with 100 means the same number
Ma'am,
followed by 2 zeros.
zeros.
Yes. So the same
And 738 into 3 is equals to 2214.
2214. Excellent. Can you please add up these two?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we will get the answer as 76,014.
76,014 is our answer. Children, you got the same?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Now my question to, yes, Drona, please respond, Drona. Drona.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, 854 multiplied with 102.
Ma'am,
Ah. See here,
The mother is
how we should write 102? Yes, 100 plus 2. Can I use bracket 100 plus 2? Shall I write as 100
Uh,
plus 2?
yes, ma'am.
Now, who is mother? Who are children?
The mother is 854, ma'am.
Yeah, children are?
102, ma'am.
Can you please tell the next step? Children, mother should be distribute over the children. Please tell that step.
Ma'am, we have to multiply 854 into 102, ma'am.
No. Here, what symbol you have?
Plus, ma'am.
You are sharing for first child. Next one, you supposed to share.
854 into 2, ma'am.
Very good. Can you please, if any number multiplied with 100 means 834 followed by
854 at plus.
Come on, quick, Drona. Come on,
Ma'am,
quickly.
can I tell?
Yes, ma'am.
Ashwath, I will give chance everyone. There are many bits to do. I will give each and everyone one step, one question to you. Yes. You should learn tables perfectly, children. Come on, I want answer.
Ma'am, 1608, ma'am.
1600 and
Ma'am, 1708, ma'am, it's wrong.
50.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. 1700, ma'am.
1708. Now come on, please combine these two. Very good, Ashwath. That is the way you're supposed to be. Calculation should be more faster, children. Then only you can do your sums. Tables plays a vital role in the mathematics. Who knows tables?
Ma'am, can I tell the answer, ma'am?
Yes, Ashwath.
Ma'am, the answer is 87,108.
Jaydeep, is it correct? 87,108?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
actually, I
Yes,
actually.
Yes, 87,108.
108.
Right. Next question for the student Harsha. Harsha.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am,
Yes. Harsha, you supposed to think about this bit, C bit, and all supposed to think, but not only Harsha, but Harsha should answer.
Ma'am, completed from that bit.
Very good, very good. I am seeing chart. Very good, Nana. JD. Harsha.
ma'am, 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 the mother is 2000. Sorry, ma'am, the mother is
258 only. Correct only. Mother is
258. 8 into 1008, ma'am.
1000 plus 8. Children are 1000 plus 8.
8.
Come on, distribute now. Mother over distribute to children.
Ma'am, 258 into 1000
Very good.
plus 258 into 8.
Come on, give the answer. Complete the picture you're supposed to give.
258 into 1000 is
Two.
2.
Zeros. Come on. 8 8s are 64. 8 5s are
Is
40.
2.
46. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. Can you give complete answer? Come on. Come on.
Ma'am, the
Mind only you should do, children. Don't just a minute, children. Come back. You have to complete the task.
ma'am, the
Ma'am, I
answer
don't
is
have the
26,064, I think. Ma'am, ma'am, ma'am,
Ma'am, ma'am, are you there?
excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am,
1 minute, I'll text, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, ma'am is still in the meeting.
I think we should wait.
Now, ma'am is still in the meeting.
ma'am, you are on mute.
We should wait for ma'am until she speaks.
Sorry.
Ma'am is on mute.
No, I'm here only. I'm here only. Come on.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, the answer is, I think, 26,064.
26,000?
64.
Wrong, Nana. You are giving wrong answer. Please combine, club it.
Ma'am, should I tell?
Yes, Ashwath.
Ma'am, the answer is 2,60,064.
Very good. The 60,064. But in all the sums you have to write, children, since from distributive property. Yeah, I didn't write the property name also. You mentioned for all the bits. Complete. DP means not you have DP. It's distributive property. Sorry. Next one, the question for the girl students. Yadar, are you there, Yadar?
Yes, ma'am.
Yadar, please answer the question. 1005 into 168. First only you have to order change, no. So that your task is very simple. Order change.
Ma'am, 168 into 1005.
Very good, very good. Come on.
Ma'am, 168 is the mother,
Very good.
and in brackets 100 plus 5.
1000
Ma'am,
plus 5.
ma'am, is that 10,005?
No, it's only, this is 5. 1005.
1,000 plus 5. Sorry.
Right. Now, please come on, share another to both the students.
168 into 1000, ma'am, into 1000
Very good.
plus 168 into 5.
Good. Come on, next.
Ma'am, 168 into 1000 is equal to
168 followed by 3 zeros. Why? Because only tens, hundreds, thousands addition is multiplication is easy here. 168
168 into 5.
Eight 840 no?
Yes,
Or
ma'am.
no?
Yes, ma'am.
Combine these two and tell the answer. 168.
Ma'am,
40. Yes or no? Jaydeep,
ma'am,
is it correct?
ma'am, it is correct, ma'am.
Right. Now the questions for girl students. Girl students, please respond, children.
Yes, ma'am.
I can see Sudesha. 279 multiplied with 96, Sudesha. Here, 96, you in terms of 100 minus, how you supposed to write? Please tell first.
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
96, we can 100 minus 4. Shall we write as 100 minus 4 instead of 96?
No, ma'am.
Who said no?
Ma'am,
96 can be written as 100. I have 96 chocolates.
Yes, ma'am. Minus 4 you can write, ma'am.
You can. Shall I write here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You can write it as like that.
Very good, very good. Why? Because multiplication over addition, we saw multiplication over subtraction also distributive happens, so that we can do like that the calculation part, so that 290, 279. Who is mother and who are children? Can you please, Sudisha, please?
Ma'am, 279 is the mother.
Children?
Ma'am, children is
Ma'am,
9.
ma'am, which question is this, ma'am? I
Ma'am,
cannot find it in the textbook.
No.
Ma'am?
My own questions. Textbook, this concept is not given.
Ma'am, children is 90 plus 6, ma'am.
No, if you take as 90 plus 6, very good question you are telling. Who is this?
Ma'am, I'm Harsha, ma'am.
Harsha, I'm always taking like that. Instead of 100, multiplication is more simple than multiplied with 9 and multiplied with 6 is takes two ways, two times little calculation part more and more, so that I won't take that option. Very good. You are asking anyway the question as 90 can 96 can be written as 90 plus 6 also, but we are not going to take that. Why? Because if you want to multiply with once again 9, once again 6, it takes your calculation more and more. So I won't take this. I will take only this to make my calculation simple. Come on, Sudesha. Who are children?
Ma'am,
Lohini.
ma'am, is it 100 minus 4?
Yes, 104 are children. Please expand this and tell now you distribute mother over children. Sudisha,
Yes, ma'am.
quickly you're supposed to respond because I'm waiting here.
Ma'am, I don't know.
What? What?
Ma'am, should I tell?
Wait, what is her answer?
Ma'am, she's telling I don't know.
On your video, Sudisha, once. I want to see.
Ma'am, she on her video.
Okay, Sudisha.
Yes,
Where you don't know, please tell.
ma'am,
What you don't know, where you don't know, please tell. Who is mother, who are children, I'm asking you.
ma'am, mother is 279
Okay,
and the children are 100 minus 4.
104. Can you distribute mother towards children? Can you please, because previous sums, many students are giving different answers. Can you distribute with the child 1 and child 2? Tell that step. Lohini, okay, you just see and observe the next question for you. Lohini, please distribute mother here, Lohini.
Okay, ma'am. 279 into 100
Very good,
minus
very good, very good,
minus 279
very good.
into minus 4.
No minus, already a minus kept. Who is other child?
4, ma'am.
4.
Ma'am, can I use the restroom?
Yes, come on, Sudesh. Good.
Ma'am,
Yes, please, Sudesha, you.
ma'am, I said, can I use the restroom?
Yes, you can. The next time asking Lohini, please continue this part.
Okay, ma'am. The answer is 27900
Very good. Yeah.
minus
9 4s are 4 7s are 28. 28 plus 3 and 31. 4 2s are 8. 8 and 11. Subtract.
and the answer is 1116.
What more?
1116.
Please subtract this and give the answer. Very good.
Okay, ma'am. 1 minute.
Right, Nana. These are the bits you can do like that in your work question bank. Please see that related sums any more are there. You can practice those, and you try to do today. Your homework is the question. There is two more application sums are there. I will explain one bit. Rest of the
Ma'am, I'm done, ma'am.
very good. Who is this? Ashwar?
Ma'am, I too completed, ma'am.
Very
I am going to match the following questions.
Okay, right. Please do that, and today you can practice in your book question bank also, children. There are Yadharth, please you also complete it. Sudesha, Lohini,
Okay, ma'am.
Harsha, everyone should be completed. No one child. All.
Ma'am, are you talking about the question bank, ma'am? And I didn't complete anything, ma'am.
No,
I got to know
question
about
bank.
it
We
today
are
only.
discussing about our textbook sums. No textbook, I added 2 bits here because the subtraction part is not given in the textbook. Jaydeep, I added one question here. Jaydeep,
Yes, ma'am. Okay,
I
ma'am.
added that part is sometimes because the textbook also sometimes they won't give only some concepts will cover. I added subtraction part also.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I got the answer. It is to 26,784.
No, 26,700 and
784.
is it same, Yadar? Yadar, is it same?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Okay. The last application part we are supposed to go. Only 2 bits are there, children. 1 bit I will do, 1 bit your homework. The taxi driver filled his car petrol tank with 40 liters of petrol on Monday. The next day, he filled with the tank with 50 liters of petrol. The petrol cost rupees 44 per liter. How much did he spend on all petrol? But nowadays, petrol cost is more than 100 rupees. Children, this is long back a question so that you can question your mom. Petrol cost is more than 44.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
Yeah, I will repeat. A taxi driver can fill his car petrol tank with 40 liters on Monday. 40 liters on Monday. The next day means Tuesday, he filled with 50 liters of petrol.
Ma'am, should I tell the answer?
Wait a minute. If petrol cost is 44 per liter, how much did he spend on the petrol? That is the question. Sudeshi, let me write on the screen so that don't tell the answer, Ashwath Reddy. You just keep with you because once you reveal answer means they won't think. I want the answer from Sudesha, please.
Ma'am, should I private chat you? They will not be able to see.
Yes, you can send private chat. Sudesha, I want from answer from Sudesha. Sudesha, on Monday, a driver can fill the tank with 40 liters of petrol. Number of liters filled on Monday. Number of liters of petrol filled on Monday. Or else driver filled his car petrol with the tanker. No. What is the first statement we are supposed to write here, children? What is the statement?
Calculate number of liters.
Or else any other word is there to from an easy word.
Ma'am, quantity.
Quantity, okay. Or
Ma'am, capacity.
Ma'am,
yes, capacity. Capacity means tank capacity కాదు నాన్న. ఇక్కడ మనం ఆ capacity కింద తీసుకోలేము. ఇంకేదైనా కరెక్ట్ వర్డ్ థింక్ చేయండి నాన్న.
Ma'am, amount.
Okay. Or else any other keyword we supposed to exactly use here?
Ma'am, volume.
Okay. Oh, volume also very good. There are many words you are giving. Wonderful students, really good students.
Volume, ma'am.
Very good, really good children. You are using different
Ma'am, mass.
mass. No, mass we can't. Why we can't mass, children? Can you please?
Ma'am, mass means weight, ma'am.
Yeah, wait, very good. It's liters means. What is the first statement? A car can no driver.
Ma'am, liters.
Yeah, my number of liters filled on Monday. Number of liters filled on Tuesday. So that cost of
Ma'am, number of liters he filled
Ma'am,
on
capacity.
in his car on Monday and Tuesday.
yeah, or else we can go with
Ma'am, we
exactly.
cannot use number of because
Yeah,
number
yeah.
is
Yeah, that's why I'm
describing
saying.
the number
What you're supposed to use here, the quantity of
capacity, quantity, capacity or volume, ma'am.
ఇక్కడ క్వాంటిటీ యూస్ చేయొచ్చు నాన్న, కెపాసిటీ యూస్ చేయలేము. ఎందుకు యూస్ చేయలేము చెప్పగలుగుతావా?
Ma'am, capacity ante capacity means space, ma'am, I think so.
Quantity use చేయొచ్చు. The quantity filled on Monday, the quantity of petrol filled on Monday, the quantity of petrol filled on Tuesday, and the cost of 1 liter petrol is 50 rupees. So that the amount spent on petrol. Yes, this is the way you can.
Ma'am, it is 44 rupees, ma'am.
Yes, write down the quantity of petrol filled on Monday. అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ లీటర్స్ అని కూడా అంటారు నాన్న, డిఫరెంట్ టెక్నాలజీ, బట్ ఎవ్రీ కేస్ చైల్డ్ ఈస్ థింకింగ్ మీన్స్ వీఆర్
Okay, ma'am.
గివింగ్ quantity of petrol filled on Monday is how much, Nana? Monday, how many liters he filled? 40 liters. On Tuesday, how many liters he
50
filled?
liters.
50 liters. So that cost of each liter petrol is, cost of 1 liter petrol is how much, children? Rupees 44. Rupees 44. Therefore, amount spent on petrol. Amount spent on petrol. Therefore, amount spent on petrol for both the days. Amount spent on. Very simple question, children. Amount spent
Yes,
on, amount spent on petrol for both the days. This is 44 multiplied with bracket 40 plus 50. Yes, here 44 multiplied with 90. Yeah, 44 9 times, no. 9 తో మల్టిప్లై చేసేసి 0 యాడ్ చేసుకోవడమే.
Ma'am, 44 into 9 is equals to 396.
3060, ma'am.
3060. Now look here. 3,960 rupees he spent on both the. Yes, children? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am, it is same.
Yes, ma'am.
The answer.
That's all, Nana. You have to complete the 6th and 7th bit. 7th bit is nothing but match the following is there. You can match which is the correct one. There is a properties only, it is given for you. Please match that. And 6th bit is vendor supplies 32 liters of milk on the morning and 68 liters on the evening. If milk cost is rupees 15 per liter, how much due to the vendor per day?
Ma'am, can you tell the question? Can you write it, ma'am? I can.
Okay, Ashwath, I sent yesterday also. There is a link. You can download the textbook from the part. I sent the complete picture of you. Please.
Ma'am, the NCERT textbook, ma'am, the math one.
No, I just yesterday I sent, right? Jaydeep, I sent or not? For
Yes,
Question
ma'am.
bank, ma'am.
This class only.
Ma'am, I will share that link, ma'am.
I shared everything, not only question by textbook, everything, even everything I shared with you.